We're getting very excited about unicorns. We are driving. We're not driving. We're passengering. We're passengering in a car, and we're shooting now.
Passengers in a car.
We're shooting because we're going to run out of daylight very soon. So we're trying to chase the light. We're chasing daylight, and
Isn't the sun right behind us?
Oh, so we're not chasing it. We're actually running away from it. But we're trying to shoot with light. We made a beautiful unicorn, and we got the idea from Pinterest. It's to hold hair thingies like barrettes and bows or whatever. And let us know what you think. I'm using PhotoJet, and this is a free software. Here, let's see, marketing flyer. I'm going to upload some free clip art of a unicorn. Dragging my unicorn over, and I want to make that head really large. There we go. Here's your print button. Boom. Print that. I find Adobe Photoshop so confusing, and every time I go back to it, I have to figure out everything I did before. Whereas this PhotoJet is so user-friendly and it's free. I love it. By just dragging it over, moving it over, I can get any portion I want to print out. And it up. You can cut off these extra white pieces if it makes it easier for you, or not. And I'm taping this so it stays put when I cut it. And I'm making a template. And then I'm going to trim off that because I know that my yarn is going to go there, my mane, so I don't need all that. I can do this quickly. This template will get placed onto that white foam, and I'll tape that down as well so it doesn't move, and cut the foam. Can you start placing that on there?
2, 3.
Careful that hot glue gun. Great placement. Okay. They're going to start falling, so I'm going to glue what you just did. Oh. Bam! Holding it down. Okay, watch your fingers. So pretty. Oh my god. Your flower idea is fantastic. Is there enough room for all of them? It's 4 or 5? Okay, let's fit. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's okay. That's all right. Yeah, I'm gonna move that one over just a bit.
Yes.
Well, we can always move them around, right?
Well, when it's dry now. Just gonna go right there.
This is your idea, and I love it so much. But I'm going to tell them so they can subscribe.
I want to tell them.
Okay, you tell them. You tell.
We are gonna be disguising my room.
Disguising? I like that. Disguising.
Makeover. Disguising, like, my room into unicorn theme.
Unicorn theme. It'll be magical, and we're going to make a lot of unicorn things. Not going to want to miss those, so please subscribe.
I'm flying.